welcome to this weekend in my life. It is Thursday. I got out of school early, so I'm in my office and I just finished filming. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more filming. Hi, I'm Kenzie. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. I post a lot of normal videos and then I also post a lot of vlogs. This background, by the way, is wallpaper. It's from an Etsy shop. I'm gonna have it linked down below. Coolest thing ever, right? So I'm sitting in my office right now. I'm just importing some footage. I'm gonna make some lunch. We have a really fun weekend planned ahead. I'm so excited. Getting out of school early is like the best feeling ever. I'm so happy, you know? Wow, would you look at this lunch? We're so good at what we do.
I don't really know what it is.
You have no idea. It's like sweet potatoes, garbanzo beans, buffalo sauce, avocado, Ezekiel wraps.
Yeah.
It's great. Putting up our little board. It's so cute. This was Christmas. This was the Christmas the year before. This was us on my 20th birthday. This was us, like, what, is that 2-3 years ago now with the boys?
Nice.
By the way, Andrew still exists.
Oh my god.
Everyone keeps commenting about him all the time. I still see him. Alyssa.
He was over like 2 days ago.
Crew. Yeah, thank you. I was with him 2 days ago. Thank you, Joe. Now we're choosing, well, we had to narrow it down from our other 5 Texas mugs. Up to you. Let's head to Aroma. I'm wearing Brianna Dwight's merch, sweats and top.
I'm wearing my own merch.
Really?
Selena.
It looks really cute. I love this corner. This is when you walk in. Cute stuff, cute notes, beauty, reconciliation. Hey guys, I have 2 public service announcements. 1, I still haven't donated my stuff to Goodwill, so my back seat looks crazy. 2, Joe is available for booking in the Los Angeles area. Follow him, book him.
Yeah.
Best photographer ever.
If you need portraits or like literally anything, I'm pretty reasonable like with like working with my clients. So even if you need to like wait a few weeks or whatever, like we can get it figured out.
Yeah, and he's uploading to his YouTube channel again. So go subscribe, check it out, comment down below videos you guys want to see us do. Yeah. Wow. We're walking to Aroma. Hey. I don't know. The thing is, it's like, are we making dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I will.
Okay, then I'm not gonna get food. Dinner.
Oh wait, I didn't say that.
You just did. I got it on camera. Our coffees have arrived. I got an iced chai with rice milk. So they don't have oat milk here, but looks good. We got our Chipotle for dinner, even though we said that we weren't gonna eat out. Here we are. We're running late. We're having people over, and some of them are already coming. We didn't know. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. JK, we're back tonight. So, Brenna sent us presents. It's literally Christmas. She gave us each notes too.
That's cute.
I know, right?
How do we know which is which?
Texas love, a Texas mug designed by a little Texas gal. Oh, it broke.
Aww.
Everything has been breaking in the mail to me lately, but it's fine because we can use it as oh, this is really cute. It says y'all. We can use it on the entryway.
Yeah.
That's really cute. Okay, that actually works out really well. Brenna's gonna be like, dang it.
Brenna Claus.
Literally Brenna Claus has come to town. More home decor.
This is so cute.
It's the home thing. This says Girl Boss on it. She wrote me a Girl Boss note. That's so cute. It's a nameplate for my office and I need new decor. Cute. We literally just made a whole, well, our entire house is all Texas themed basically, but our corner especially.
Oh, yes, Brenna.
I've wanted one of these for so long. I've seen these around. This is so amazing. Thanks, Brenna. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to text her. Maybe I'll actually just FaceTime her. Happy Friday, guys. So I didn't vlog much this morning because I filmed a weekend morning routine. I don't know why I'm talking so weird. We're about to head over to my apartment. I have some cleaners coming and I'm gonna hopefully turn in my keys today. I have my apartment for like another week, but I don't really wanna have to drive back down there. So yeah, we're just gonna bring a bunch of stuff. Oh, and we don't have a washer and dryer, so let's put our laundry there. Finally gonna have my laundry done, but I'm packing up my bag so we're gonna get a lot of editing done. Joe's coming with me. And it's gonna be good. I saw some comments saying my videos are getting repetitive and I agree, but also I think part of it is because I split my moving vlog, so like there was like 5 videos about the move instead of 1, and also like I'm still moving. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, so this is my life. I'm definitely doing a lot more like normal regular style videos just to like throw in and have just better content and more stuff. I'm trying to not make it repetitive, but like if it's my vlogs, like I'm not gonna fake what I'm doing just to make it not repetitive. So maybe I do less vlogs. You guys tell me in the comments down below. I'm trying to make them better, but I just don't know what to do. We're on our way to my apartment. This is, well, a lot of these are donations, and then we have so much laundry to do. We're gonna be there for like 5 hours.
You're gonna be there for 5 hours. I have plans.
What plans do you have?
I'm totally kidding. Hey guys, did you know that Kenzie, You have to cut it out now.
My old building, and look what just came in the mail. This is so exciting. It's literally a mix of like my favorite moisturizer and the CC cream that I use. I'm so excited to try this. Wow, thank you so much for Stay Beauty. It's literally 9:44 p.m. and I haven't even done my laundry. Like and I have like at least 2 loads. Why is it yellow? We're in my apartment, maybe hopefully for the last time, but it's so sad and like weird. Someone else is gonna live here. I don't want anyone else to live here. I guess they can live here. I don't really care. I guess they can live here.
You guess. Subscribe. Comment if you're gonna live here. Yeah.
Who's moving in?
Yeah, who wants it? We're doing a giveaway. A whole apartment for a giveaway.
Guys, I'm literally going crazy. It's 11 p.m. Where did you get that we weren't gonna leave until 3?
This load is washing, the next load will wash, but after that, the next load will dry, the last load. Because even after you're done washing the last load, the other one still takes an hour. All of 11, all of 12, and all of... Yeah, I'm right.
We're going crazy. He's playing with a dog toy. We're just being delusional. We're gonna make some coffee downstairs. It's a lot. Hi.
Coco's gonna...
Oh my gosh, Coco's gonna be like, you cheated on me. Hi, you're so cute. Update everyone, it is 2:30 in the morning. We're just now about to be done. I cannot believe it took this long. We were delusional. There were points where we were like crying, we were laughing so hard because like, of course this is our life, but I'm about to get the keys in for this apartment, which is so weird. I don't want to think about it because I'll get like emotional, so I'm just kind of like doing it, and yeah. It's weird though. Saying goodbye. I loved this place. It was such a great place, such a good home. So many good memories. Yeah, I mean, I love our house and I'm like so excited, but just so weird. Bye apartment. This is so weird. But yeah, we were literally laying and sleeping on those boxes. I'm not kidding. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. All right, we're out. Okay, oh. Joe, the gate is gonna be locked. Oh, normally it's not censored like this.
Holy.
That's God, that's God.
Holy.
We're driving away from the Olive. I'm saying goodbye for forever. I did not hit play. It is currently 2:42 a.m.
Amen.
We got here at like about 2 p.m. So I just want to know why 5 loads of laundry, and yeah, we left to get dinner and do a few other things, but like, why did that take us 12 hours? Like, I'm so ready to be home. Good morning, everyone. It is 9 a.m. It is Saturday morning. I am about to go get breakfast with Alicia and Taylor. I am so tired from last night. I actually did my makeup and my hair, which took me 20 minutes, so that's probably not a good sign. For my outfit, I'm just wearing my favorite shirt. I'm wearing some like green silk joggers and then white sneakers. I have been wearing joggers and sneakers pretty much every day for like 2 weeks, at least at some point. I need to stop, you know? All right, so I'm out. Look who it is! We're in line at Aroma and we realized that we both haven't gotten our movie passes yet. So we're calling. Yeah, guys, like movie passes, I don't know if you've heard about it, but you like pay $10 a month and you get to go to unlimited movies in the movie theater, so it's really cool. But I ordered mine like 6 weeks ago. Yeah, but everyone's having problems getting them. Like her roommate got it and then she didn't. It's just like weird. I saw Griffin tweeting about how she didn't get hers. Like, it's not good. Breakfast has arrived. This looks so good. Taylor, that is like unreal. Alicia's here. Taylor's here. Hey guys, we're having our post-breakfast Instagram shoot, basically. This is what Taylor and I always do. It's so helpful.
So nice because we know what we want.
I know. We just see the vision. You know, we see the vision. That's what matters.
We see each other's visions.
We see each other's visions. She's like literally using that car to go put her button. Like, that's my mood right now. Hey guys, do you like my shirt? This is my favorite shirt I've ever owned.
Honestly, it's
from
amazing.
Forever 21.
Is it really?
Yeah, literally.
What the heck? I want one.
If you guys know where I can buy shirts like this, comment down below because I want all of them. Literally all of them. Let us know. It feels like we're kind of like in the Midwest right now.
Yeah.
With all of the trees.
Love it.
Hey.
Never speak of last night ever in our lives.
Ever again.
It's not my ministry, not my calling, not my passion.
Not my gifts.
Not operating my gifts in that area. No.
That's
it. The worst.
It was the worst thing ever.
I cannot imagine walking through that again. And it's funny because it's so dramatic now, but like, oh god.
Hey guys, it's now about 3 in the afternoon. I'm editing. I know I'm editing in bed. That's not good. I just like, I can't really work in my office right now because it's just not set up how I want it to be and I just don't have that much stuff in it. So like once I have stuff in it and it's set up, I'll work in there more. I'm literally crying. Oh, she's so perfect. Hi, Coco. What's up? She is just really doing that today. Oh my god. I'm never gonna be over this. I'm never gonna be over this. Wow. Oh my gosh. An Amazon package came and I ordered some books. I also uploaded a video talking about my favorite books and podcasts, so check that out because I get that question all the time. Jonathan Martin's book came. Okay, so I got Jonathan Martin's book, who's one of our favorite pastors ever. It's How to Survive a Shipwreck. So I'm gonna start reading this like this very second. Oh yay! Okay, so I got the 365-day devotions for the God Girl journey. I had the like small one, I had the shorter one, but just to see if I liked it. Coco's trying to open up the other package just to see if I liked it, and I love it. So got the 365-day one. Oh, I got the 4-hour work week. Okay, I've wanted this for so long. So it's Tim Ferriss, and people just like rave over this book. My dad read this, I think, and said it was like amazing. And I got Gary Vee's book because Taylor has been raving about it, so I'm reading this as well, or I'm going to. I was like out of books and now I have so many, so it's a Saturday night. I think I'm just gonna stay in and read, but I'm really excited about this. Hey guys, look who it is. My best friend! Hey guys, good morning. I'm being quiet because it's very early. So it's Sunday morning, and Sundays I pretty much go to every service at Zoe. Normally, maybe besides one, but I serve in the morning and we work on the YouTube channel and stuff, so I'm going over there. We are at the wheel train this week, which is exciting. So yeah, if you guys want to go subscribe to that channel, feel free, say I sent you. This top is from Princess Polly. This coat is from Boohoo. I just have some denim jeans, obviously denim, and then black booties. I'll probably vlog a little bit this afternoon, but for the most part I don't really vlog on Sundays because like it's not really much for me to vlog and it would be the same thing over and over again, and I'm trying to not make these repetitive even though they're my life, so they are repetitive. So I don't know what to do. I should go on a trip soon so that they're less repetitive. And my neighbor, I just made eye contact with her as I am talking to this camera through the windows, and that was incredibly uncomfortable. So awesome. Okay. Here's a butter. Look at my outfit. Cute, cute. It's pretty much just all I have right now. It's now like 6 p.m. I've been back for a while. I honestly needed to be productive, but I kind of just chilled and went on my computer and watched YouTube videos. So I changed. I'm going back to the 7 p.m. service tonight. Joe and I are going together. I'm gonna make some dinner and take you guys with. So, going to the kitchen. Okay, black beans and roasted corn. I really like bean burgers. Living with Joe has turned me into quite the chef, I will say. Sundays are my favorite days, I think. Or I just love them. Coconut spray. Who else uses this? Comment down below. How are you guys? What have you guys been up to? Let me know in the comments down below. This channel is meant to be very welcoming and like a home away from home. Kind of like how Joe and I view our house for other people. We're like really going in with this. That's how this is supposed to be. So, yeah. I also really want to do like video series like Shane Dawson does. Like they're so cool. I love the video with Blair. I love the video with his dad, or the series. Like those are so good. But I don't know what I want to do. I think I kind of want to do something on vulnerability, but I also don't know what to do if I did that, you know? This clip is 3 minutes long. I've got to stop. Look at this sauce we got at Trader Joe's last night. It's sriracha and barbecue sauce. Like, hey, 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 hey! What's up? We're going back! I got quad espresso, so get the cream with Kenzie. I'll have her channel link down below. We're filming a video, which will be very fun. We have the same name, except for I spell mine differently, but whatever.
You're supposed to eat with an A?
M-A-C-K. Okay. Isn't that weird that my name is really Mackenzie? Like I kind of forgot that until I decided that we have the same name. Yeah, I never know it. I go by Kenzie, and most people call me Kenz. Yeah. So here's our filming setup. We're kind of almost ready. Right. I think you got me doing it. We figured out the tutorial that we're recreating. It's but we're not watching it. Yeah, we can't watch it, but it's gonna be the funniest thing ever, and it's definitely up by now. So
I feel like it's so like the title's so up your alley. Like.
This is the setup we have going here. This is, don't look at me, don't look at me, don't look at me, don't look at me, don't. That was anyways, I'm so glad that you guys have watched this video. You have curtains. So you're just gonna have to watch this.
What up, it's Dippo 1 and Dippo 2.
I think an egg. Like.
You are an egg. I'm a vegan.
You are an egg, I'm a vegan.
Hey guys.
Nice $62 to fill up my tank. Love spending that money.
Look at this shot. Wow. Ooh.
Nice cinematography. Nice shot.
Thanks. I went to USC.
Hey freak. What'd you say?
Nothing. Guys, we're just sporting our best sweatshirts ever. Best song ever, best day ever, best car ever, best gas ever.
Best weather ever. We got falafel instead of making food, so here we are.